Alright guys, it's May 7, 2026. Panahon na ng mga enrollment, mga bakasyon na ng mga bata. Yung isang anak ko na enroll ko na. So less to worry. Yung isa na lang yung medyo mahal lang tuition fee, yun na lang. Pero may nakalaan na ako para doon, para makapag-enroll na siya this sem. So hindi pa start ng enrollment. Let's watch this video. Itong video na to. Sabi dito, this is how your mind lies to you. Nagsisinungaling ang inyong utak na nakikita nyo. Everything is an illusion. Diba? Pero paano ba natin may apply ito sa trading world? As a trader, everyday na nagte-trade, sa totoo lang, itong ginagawa namin is very confusing. Nakikita mo umaangat pero bibiglang bumababa. The trend is going up and down. Maski paangat siya or pababa siya. And sigurado ako doon sa mga nagte-trade na dyan and they got confused on what they're doing because of this. Nagsisinungaling yung isipan nyo. How to prevent that? We study, we educate ourselves how to trade, how to read the chart correctly. We manage the stop loss and take profit para magampanan natin na lose small, win big. Hoping na ma-maintain natin yung profit side. Hindi to instantly, so you need paghirapan nyo. One step at a time. Give a time to educate yourself. I hope na makasali kayo sa amin. It's called Primeverse. It's free educational platform na sana ma-absorb nyo yung knowledge and ma-apply nyo sa buhay nyo. Hindi naman to para sa lahat. Ito yung sa mga gusto lang na mag-trade, magkaroon ng full-time job, part-time job, passive income. This is one of the opportunity that the world will give. Basta, you just need to follow the steps that we do. You just need to follow our guide. Hindi katulad ng academy na may bayad, 50K. Worst of all, there's a academy that have amount of 100,000 pesos para maka-enroll ka lang. Dito guys, nandito na kompleto records. We have signals, we have copy trading, we have a live session every day. And number 4, I am the coach that we do one-on-one coaching. So kung gusto nyo ng one-on-one, join us guys. Here, binibigay ko yun. Yung one-on-one coaching na hinahanap ng iba. And lahat kami ng parte ng community na to is willing to help others. So anyway guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye!